The pickup truck landscape is undergoing a transformation that would have seemed impossible just a few years ago. Hybrid powertrains are no longer compromises. They're delivering fuel economy numbers that make traditional engines look obsolete while maintaining the capability truck buyers demand. With fuel prices continuing their unpredictable climb and environmental regulations tightening, hybrid pickups are moving from niche options to mainstream choices. Stay with us as we reveal the top 6 best hybrid pickup trucks with insane gas mileage this year. Number 6. Ram 1500 Rev. When Ram unveiled the 1500 Rev, they were presenting an entirely different approach to electrification that addresses the single biggest concern truck buyers have about going electric: range anxiety. This isn't a traditional hybrid where a gas engine and electric motor work together to turn the wheels. Instead, the Rev operates as a pure electric vehicle with dual motors producing 663 horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque, but includes a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with a 130-kilowatt generator that exists solely to recharge the battery. You're getting all the benefits of electric driving, instant torque delivery, smooth acceleration, and zero emissions, but without the limitations. The 92 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides approximately 140 miles of electric-only range, which handles most daily driving without burning a drop of fuel. When that battery runs low, the V6 generator kicks in automatically, extending total range to an impressive 690 miles. Performance numbers back up the capability. 0 to 60 arrives in just 4.4 seconds. Maximum towing capacity reaches 14,000 pounds, while payload tops out at 2,625 pounds. With the range extender operating, fuel economy exceeds 20 miles per gallon combined. Impressive considering this truck delivers nearly twice the horsepower of many V8 competitors. The Rev's advanced technology is impressive, but it comes with premium pricing, which brings us to a hybrid that takes the complete opposite approach. Number 5. Ford Maverick Hybrid. The Maverick Hybrid has been turning heads since its introduction, and for this year, Ford is addressing the two biggest requests: all-wheel drive and increased towing capacity. The system pairs a 2.5-liter engine with a 94-kilowatt electric motor, producing 191 horsepower and over 200 pound-feet of torque. The Maverick Hybrid achieves 41 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway, making it the most fuel-efficient pickup truck you can buy in America. If you're driving 15,000 miles per year, you're looking at spending around $1,200 on fuel annually. Compare that to a traditional midsize truck averaging 20 miles per gallon, where you'd be spending over $2,400. Over 5 years, the Maverick Hybrid pays for itself through fuel savings alone. With its nearly 14-gallon fuel tank, total range exceeds 500 miles between fill-ups. For this year, Ford is finally offering all-wheel drive on the hybrid model. Even more significant is the towing upgrade. With the available 4K tow package, maximum capacity jumps to 4,000 pounds, double the base rating. Starting under $30,000, the Maverick proves affordability and economy work perfectly together. But if you need more towing capacity and genuine off-road credentials, the next truck takes capability to an entirely different level. Number 4. Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. Toyota's decision to offer the Tacoma Hybrid across multiple off-road variants signals where the midsize segment is heading. The iForce Max system pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor. Combined output reaches 326 horsepower, but the real story is torque. 465 pound-feet available at low RPMs, giving the truck more pulling power than any competitor in the segment. Anyone who's towed a trailer up a steep mountain grade knows the frustration of watching RPMs climb while speed drops. That's where the Tacoma Hybrid's torque advantage becomes immediately obvious. Traditional turbocharged engines need high RPMs to build boost. The Tacoma's electric motor delivers instant torque from 0 RPM. When crawling over rocks or towing up steep grades, this instant power delivery provides precise control that gas-only engines simply cannot match. Fuel economy comes in at approximately 24 miles per gallon combined. The system is standard equipment on both the TRD Pro and Trailhunter models, Toyota's most capable off-road variants. Both feature 33-inch all-terrain tires, heavy-duty underbody protection, and specialized suspension components. Maximum towing capacity reaches 6,000 pounds, with payload topping out at 1,709 pounds. The cabin features modern technology, including an available 14-inch touchscreen and a detachable JBL Bluetooth speaker that mounts in the dashboard. The Tacoma delivers excellent off-road performance in a mid-size package, but if you need full-size capability with even better fuel economy, there's a hybrid that's been dominating the segment for years. Number 3. Ford F-150 Hybrid. Ford brought hybrid technology to America's best-selling truck years ahead of competitors, and the F-150 Power Boost continues setting the standard. The system combines a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 with a 47-horsepower electric motor, producing 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, putting it ahead of most V8-powered competitors while delivering significantly better fuel economy. The EPA rates the Power Boost at 23 miles per gallon combined. Real-world testing shows the hybrid actually achieves its ratings. 0 to 60 takes approximately 5 seconds flat. Maximum towing capacity reaches 12,700 pounds, which is more than many V8-powered competitors manage. One of the most frustrating situations on a work site is when you need to run power tools, but the nearest electrical outlet is 200 feet away. That's where the F-150's ProPower onboard system becomes genuinely valuable. The standard 2.4 kilowatt setup provides 4 120-volt outlets, while the optional 7.2 kilowatt upgrade adds 6 total outlets, including a 240-volt connection. That's enough power to run circular saws, air compressors, or even a refrigerator. During power outages, this system can keep your home's essential appliances running for days. Available across multiple trim levels, the F-150 hybrid costs approximately $3,500, more than an equivalent V8 model. Fuel savings alone will recoup that investment within a few years. The F-150 hybrid offers impressive capability and technology, but that premium pricing might not work for every budget, which is exactly why our next truck takes a simpler, more affordable approach. Number 2. Ram 1500 eTorque. Understanding why the Ram 1500 eTorque ranks this high requires looking beyond pure efficiency numbers. This mild hybrid system doesn't deliver dramatic fuel economy improvements. The focus is different, and that's precisely what makes it appealing. The eTorque setup pairs a 3.6-liter V6 with a belt-driven motor generator and 48-volt battery, producing 305 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. Fuel economy reaches 23 miles per gallon combined with rear-wheel drive, or 21 with four-wheel drive. Those figures represent modest gains, but they come without the complexity and potential long-term maintenance concerns of more elaborate systems. Many truck buyers worry about what happens when warranty coverage ends and complex hybrid systems start showing their age. The eTorque's simplicity is its greatest strength. There's no complex planetary gear set, no high-voltage battery pack requiring expensive replacement. For buyers planning to keep their truck for 10 years or more, this peace of mind matters more than chasing maximum efficiency numbers. The eTorque system is standard equipment on the base tradesman trim, which starts around $42,000, making it one of the most affordable hybrid trucks available. The electric motor's low-speed torque assist improves throttle response, while the start-stop system operates seamlessly. Beyond the powertrain, the Ram 1500 brings the available air suspension that delivers ride-quality competitors can't match, plus premium interior materials. The eTorque proves hybrid technology doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. But if you're willing to pay more for maximum hybrid power, the number 1 truck delivers performance that makes every other hybrid look weak. Number 1. Toyota Tundra Hybrid. When it comes to combining maximum hybrid power with full-size capability, nothing matches the Tundra Hybrid. The iForce Max system pairs a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 with a 48-horsepower electric motor. Combined output reaches 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. More than any other hybrid truck and more than most V8-powered competitors deliver, 0 to 60 arrives at approximately 5.6 seconds. More importantly, maximum torque arrives at just 2,400 RPM. Think about pulling onto a highway while towing a 10,000-pound trailer. With the Tundra Hybrid, there's no waiting for turbos to spool. Full power is available the instant you need it, making merging confident rather than nerve-wracking. Maximum towing capacity reaches 11,450 pounds, while payload tops out at 1,680 pounds. Fuel economy comes in at 22 miles per gallon combined with rear-wheel drive, or 21 with four-wheel drive, a significant improvement over the previous V8 that struggled to break 17 miles per gallon. What sets the Tundra Hybrid apart is availability across the entire lineup. Unlike competitors that limit hybrid powertrains to specific trims, Toyota offers iForce Max on every variant from the limited through the luxurious capstone. The TRD Pro variant pairs the hybrid powertrain with specialized off-road equipment including Fox shocks and 33-inch tires. The electric motor's instant torque provides exceptional control during technical off-road driving. Standard equipment includes a 14-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and a 12-speaker JBL audio system. With pricing starting around $60,000 for the limited trim, you're getting the most powerful hybrid truck available, legendary Toyota reliability, and fuel economy that will save thousands over the ownership period. From the Ram 1500 1500 Rev's groundbreaking range extender technology to the Maverick Hybrid's unbeatable efficiency at an affordable price, hybrid trucks are rewriting what's possible. Whether you're prioritizing maximum power like the Tundra Hybrid delivers, seeking simplicity with the Ram eTorque, needing off-road capability from the Tacoma Hybrid, or wanting the F-150's versatile Pro-Power system, there's finally a hybrid option that matches your specific needs without forcing you to compromise. The days of choosing between efficiency and performance are over. Hybrid pickups are definitely the future, but traditional gas-only units still haven't said their final words. Moreover, Chevy Silverado will soon get a new generation of V8 engines, and traditionalists couldn't be happier. Improved efficiency, more power, and unmistakable V8 symphony are coming in a single package.